Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade burger patties using an easy method. We'll start by selecting the right ground beef, aiming for about 1½ pounds, which is perfect for 4 delicious patties. The key is an 80% lean to 20% fat ratio for optimal juiciness. Then, we'll gather our simple seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, plus a dash of Worcestershire sauce to elevate the taste. This straightforward approach ensures a flavorful burger every time. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. Gently combine your ground beef with all the seasonings. Remember, the less you mix, the more tender your burgers will be, so avoid overworking the meat. Divide the seasoned beef into 4 equal portions. Then, carefully form each portion into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick. A little trick is to make a small indentation in the center of each patty. This helps them cook evenly and prevents them from bulging in the middle. Once your patties are perfectly formed, it's time to cook them. You can grill them over medium-high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or pan-fry them in a hot skillet with a touch of oil for similar cooking times. The best way to ensure your burger is cooked to your liking is with an instant-read thermometer. For a delicious medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer well done, cook until it reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After cooking, the final, crucial step is to let your delicious patties rest. Just 5 minutes off the heat allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly flavorful and juicy. Then, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Place your perfectly cooked patties on toasted buns and pile on all your favorite toppings. Think crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, fresh onions, and tangy pickles. Now, take a moment to savor the incredible taste of your homemade burger.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.